Coaching yun, dito sa press room, for the mostly press con. Coaching, talk about yung outside shooting yun. Here, parang kaya na record, i-record na ito. Just talk about that. Pati yung second quarter yun.
Hindi namin masyadong iniisip yung mga record. We just try to play our game, be consistent with our style of play. We try to give our rookies some live game experience today. So we try to give them extended minutes and try to rest our regular guys for future battles. And we have 7 wins. 7 wins assures you of a quarter spot. So pwede na kaming mag-isip ngayon na twice a week. So ang kwenta namin sa twice a week, mga siyang nakanalo. So kailangan na mga nanalo para mga twice a week. So yun lang na sa isip namin. Yun na, aside from yung kanina, I thought I could take the risk of playing our rookies more minutes and give them game experience para tumibay sa future.
Actually, ano mo na yung second quarter mo, yung 15 points in the second quarter, ano bang nangyari doon at nahinit yung kamay mo?
Wala naman, just one of those days. Nabigyan lang ng opportunity today and I just wanted to be aggressive and thankful din ako sa teammates ko kasi alam nilang maingat ako so hinahanap nila.
Because I wanted to reach yung rookies na kanina rin, pinasok naman sila, doon na bumaba yung lamang eh.
Yun nga, sinusubukan ko sila. Actually, of course, it's always a risky move, no? But at the same time, hindi ka naman talaga aasenso kung hindi mo bibigyan ng pagkakataon na masubukan sila sa live game situation. Nakikita ko sila sa practice, masipag, they're hard workers, and they deserve a chance. Yung minutes kanina, pinagtrabahuan nila yun. At nasablihan naman, actually, masaya ako na sa performance nila.
What about your defense? Nagpunta sa point na si Ali at only 2 points ata during the first half. Parang huli na lang ata siya na nakascore.
Yeah. A lot of people really don't notice the way we play defense. No? Kasi tingin nila we're a high-scoring offensive team. But tingin ko hindi ka pwedeng maka 7-0 ng mahina ka sa depensa. So, okay lang din yun kung hindi nila napapansin yun. Actually, that's better for us. Baka hindi ka masyado na magkahandaan kung hindi nila alam yung mga strengths mo or weaknesses. But most days because naka-focus dun sa offense namin yung attention siguro ng mga ibang tao. But the way we practice, it's the same intensity, it's the same aggressiveness, offense and defense. Yun lang din ang bilin ko sa kanila na we play the same way every day in practice and translate that into the game.
Coach, mababang pahinga. After that back-to-back schedule ng Convergent sa Miguel ngayon, relax siya.
Yeah, yun nga maganda, magpahinga ka na alam mo nasa quarters ka. 7 weeks sigurado ng quarters yun. Ang hahabulin namin ngayon, pagkahandaan namin with the break is try to get to 9 wins as soon as we can. Yun nga, I think it's also valuable that guys who were regular in the rotation got their rest today, got their relievers playing a lot more. Maski si JJ, binawasan namin yung minutes, pero kahit bawas yung minutes niya, triple-double pa rin siya. So, that's how valuable it is.
Coach, thank you.
Coach,
Okay,
maraming po.
Thank you.